Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Rose here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix your Facebook incorrect password appearing on your screen. Sometimes when you try to log into your account, now it basically happens if your username or password is incorrect. You can check through your email or phone number that you have access to your account during your account creation. So to fix this problem, let's tap on forgotten password. Now here you will be required to enter your mobile number or you can search by email address. Let's tap on search by email address. You will be required to enter your email address. After that, tap on find account. Now you will be sent a code to your email address. Let's check on your inbox. Here you can see verification code has been sent to our email inbox. After that, tap on continue. Now here you will be required to create a new password. You can tap on logout of other devices. After that, tap on continue. Here you can see we have successfully fixed our Facebook incorrect password appearing on our screen. I hope this tutorial will help you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and thanks for watching.